Now that we have our mechanical seal out, we can go ahead and loosen this portion at the bottom and just go ahead and unscrew that part. And also at this time, we can go ahead and loosen the tie rod nuts back up and take them off, and then remove the tie rods. At this point, we're going to go ahead and remove the discharge casing, and you can just do that by slightly tapping on the tie rod part of the casing and applying some pressure upwards. Then we can pull that straight off. At this point, you have your impeller exposed. And again, make sure the shaft is clean, free of any impediments. And then we'll slowly lift the impeller off and take the keyway. At this point, we have one stage casing. We'll take a keyway from our coupling at top and just slightly tap on the bottom of the suction casing on either side and loosen it. That'll come right off. We'll also lift our diffuser straight off and expose our final impeller. At that point, you have the full assembly disassembled.